Hello guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be comparing having the POV of a BMW M4 competition compared to that of the M5. So I want to see which of them among the M4 and the M5 is the best because so far so good. We love the M4 series, but the M5 competition is also doing good and doing numbers. So stick with me. Let's see. It's just taking some videos and that. Whew, guys. Guys, if you have been following my channel, you know that I am not a fan of BMW, but come on. This interior is damn. Like this POV, you're sitting on this, facing this console, this dashboard, man, it's like you're ready to race, and it's gonna be like a what is it called? Like you're ready to speed. You know what I mean? But let's see that of the M5. Oh, this EV, electric. I don't think does it has an engine? Let me know in the comment section. Yo, this is guys. Now, I'm marveled because I'm not really a BMW fan. If you have been following me, you know that. So, seeing this, I'm like, "Oof, man, I didn't know it's this good. This is bad, man. This is crazy. This is what the hell? Yo, the POV of this car is insane. The POV of this car is wow. Those are normal, but come on, just take a look at the guys. We have to make this money. I don't know what you are doing, but focus, full time focus. We have to make this money, man. There's too many things at stake not to make this money. Let's see that of the M4. This is the M4 compared to the M5. Did you hear that sound? Wow, I'm loving BMW right now. No. You can play the music for some time. Which do you think is better? The M4 has a good interior, but the M5 has a bad interior, like crazy interior. But coming to startup, which POV is better? Okay, we have seen from this. Let's see the drive experience. So far, so good. Let's see the drive experience of the M4. Just imagine yourself in this $200,000 in your bank account. You have this. Life is good, man. You driving at this time of the night, 4 a.m. Come on, come on. If you want to watch the video, shout out driven by Alex. Look at his channel. Go see the video. Damn it. Subscribe. Crazy. Get your leg off the gas, bro. This is so ASMR relaxing, bro. Bro, bro, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Go nigga. No, 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 no. No, this is not to race. This is not race. This is a POV where you just watch how it is when you are driving it. Those of you who want to own a M4 competition someday, this is how it will feel. It will feel. Let's go to the M5. Let's see how it will also feel while driving it. Let's see the M5. I'm going to rate it. I'm going to rate both of them so that you guys see my rating. Wow. Okay, this doesn't have those bubbles where it goes. I think it's silent because it's an electric car. Let me know. You must comment. Go to the comment section. Tell me which of these cars do you think is best? Do you prefer? Most times it's preference. I can hear the engine of the M5 a little. Ooh, man, like so relaxing. It's relaxing, just going. Now I see why the M4 is a lot of people go-to car, and from each POV, honestly, I'm confused, but okay. This is the highway. He's getting to the highway. Let's see him on the highway because the M4 just drove to the highway. Let's see how far or how we drive on the highway. Why are there hold ups? Come on. There's traffic. Oh, red light. Preference wise, this is putting me on the spot that I don't want to be in. Well, let's see. Can you hear the sound? Ma. Okay, this guy's channel. In case you want to watch the full video, Winding Road Magazine. Shout out to him, bro, bro, bro. No wonder one of my viewers showed me that I don't know the BMW. That's why I always write them off. Now I see. Take my money. Give me, give me, give me. So I've seen the two of them. Let me take a side. Yeah. This is This is difficult. Let's see the M4 again. Hmm. This a way the M4 feels. It's like I'm feeling like I'm inside it. I don't know if you're feeling the same thing, but I'm feeling like I'm driving. This is the way it feels when it is driving. Let's play it one more time. Now let's play the M5. I just don't want to conclude, guys. Now let's go back to the M4. Firstly, the M4 has a good interior. Let's not lie. Because seeing the M5, because the M5 has a better interior, has a better lighting, everything, ambience. Because why? New album model, latest year, and all of that. But the M4 has this feel in it. It has this professional feel. It's not like computers helping me out. Even though I know it's computerized, but computer no. It has this I'm in charge feel. Yeah, compared to the M5. M5 has this you want to be you'll be supported and all of that. I like the lighting, but I think I would go with the M4. So which are you going? Because rating them, I'm gonna rate the M4 from my own view 8 out of 10 and the M5 7 out of 10. The M5 is decent. Trust me. Trust me, the M5 is very decent. But this M4 is something else. So, what would you rate this, guys? Let me know in your comment section. You have seen this POV. If this POV is not okay for you, go to their channels driven by Alice. That's the for the M4 and for the M5 is Winding Road Magazine. Shout out to these two guys. Thank you guys for watching to this part of the video. You wanna see the price of these cars? You want to see the price of these cars? Okay, you will see it right now on the screen. M4, M5. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I am really super grateful. Yeah, I don't know. I have this feel that this video will do well. I've been trying to post daily and every day. The other videos have been just there. But this was a super idea from God. So let's see how this video will do and perform. And don't forget to subscribe. Nah, I need this subscription. I need these views. I need this watch time. Guys, see you in the next one. Let me know what other cards do you want me to rate their POV.